So I think you can see that those mounts there have just bent, and what that's doing is making it go very close to the, what's that bloody square block called? Put under, like a, stops the vibrations. That block there, bit of weight, and you can see that it's getting awfully close. Getting awfully close to that tail shaft. What's that, a few mil, 5 mil? Anyway. Righto, start that. Right, off. Just check that there as well. Righto, go again. Righto, one more time. Righto. And it does look like this is tied up against the fuel tank as well. So
I reckon when you've gone and you've gone on
that
the side, it's pushed across.
Possibly, yeah. And you can see like that it has had some scrapes. Yeah, so it has had a few scrapes. I wouldn't have expected it to bend those brackets. And that one's real close there as well. That's the one at the back. I think it's probably the closest. Alright, let's see if we can whack it and see what happens, eh? I'm gonna get bloody... Shit's gonna come from everywhere, isn't it? No, it's not gonna go anywhere. I can tell you that now. Righto, Father, try that. Better. Righto, off. It's hard work swinging stuff above your head, isn't it?
Sure is.
That one's well, it's really shifted. Righto. Getting there. Need a sledgy, don't I? I've got a sledgy out there. You know what did this? That drive up at Sugarloaf.
Yep.
I went up those rock steps and bottomed out.
Yep.
Normally I've got my other plates on, which I don't have on at the moment. They probably would have taken the weight. So, hard to compete with the weight of a car, Stephen. I'm going to sleep well tonight. Righto, Father, see what happens. Better?
Yeah, you can leave it at that.
Come on, what a fist bump. Fist bump. Thanks, buddy. Alright, that'll do me for now then. Going for a nap. Woohoo! Alright, get out of here.